Hi, this is Fahad Abbasi, and today I am going to discuss the course learning outcome. That is, evaluate and compare various types of enterprise resource planning softwares and their applications in global business contexts. First of all, let's discuss about some of the drivers of an ERP project. The first one is improved reporting capabilities, then supporting specific executive initiative, accommodate growth of the business, lower the total cost of the operation, and the fifth one is demand of replacing and outdated IT systems in an enterprise. So if you do comparison of the ERP solution labeled as Metafresh, Redempere, Sage X3, and Odoo. Just like SAP and ERP, Metafresh offers features of inventory management, purchase order management, supply chain management, warehouse management. However, it is not suitable for the features like enterprise asset management and HR management, which are important features provided by SAP Cloud ERP. Moreover, Metafresh is deployed across less platforms than SAP and ERP. It is, however, deployed in important platforms like desktop, Windows, and cloud-based platforms, which are crucial for organizations. In comparison with Odoo, a fully integrated and all-in-one ERP software, Metafresh lacks in enterprise assets management and HR management as discussed above. In comparison with ERP, next, Metafresh provides a supply chain management feature. Redempere ERP software started the project in 2006. Redempere is an Italian word which means to achieve or to satisfy, implying that the software's purpose is to provide users with multiple features that will help them achieve more efficiency and productivity. As it comes with multiple features which can help to enhance their business, some of the features are CRM, ERP, and SCM support. Sage X3 is a new entrant in the market of ERP vendors that will help to accelerate the entire business from procurement process to the production, followed by warehousing, sales, customer service, and financial management as well. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much.